Good morning students and welcome to the English class. Okay, today what we are going to see? Yes, today we are going to see English grammar, that is describing words. Means, what is the meaning of describing? Describing means we are describing words. Which words? We are describing the naming words. Okay, describe means saying something. This say that means the word is saying something to us. Okay, the word is saying something to us. So that is called as describing and the words. Okay, what are the words? Let us see. Okay, now see here, for example, an old man. Okay, here the word is man. Here the word is man. So he is called as a person. So he is a naming word. Okay, man is a naming word. What the man, how the man is? The man is old. So this is a describing word. So here the man is described as an old man. Okay. So today we are going to see the describing word that is called as an adjective. That is called as an adjective. Okay, the word that describes the naming words. Okay, word that describes the naming word, that is called as a adjective. That is called as a describing words. Okay, words that tell us, let us see, words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Okay, describing words. See again, words that tell us more about naming words. We know what is naming words. Name of a person, place, animal, things. Okay, we have already studied in the first chapter. Okay, so what is naming words? We know that noun is the name of a person, place, animals and things. Okay, so what they are telling here is words which tells us something about the naming words. What is naming words? Naming words means name of a person, places, animals and things. These are called as a naming words. For example, we can use spoons. This is an object. Okay, it is a then Taj Mahal is a place. The name of a person. These are all called as the naming words. So what telling? Words that tell us something about a naming word, something about a noun, something about a noun is called as a describing words. Okay, so now let us see some more examples so that you can come to know easily. Okay, so see the first one, tiny ants. What it is telling here is the word ant. Okay, it is a noun. Okay, so tiny ants. How the ant is? Ant is very tiny, right? Tiny means small. Ant ellarku theriyum. Okay, so how the ant is? It is tiny. So it is called as a describing words. Okay, adjective. It is called as a adjective. An adjective, or it is called as a describing words. So see the next word. Tall trees. How the tree? You can ask here the questions how. What the question you can ask? How the tree is. How the tree is here? It is very tall. So naming word is trees. That is, it is a noun, and the noun is describing how the noun is. How the noun is? It is tall. So tall is called as a describing words. Okay. Now see the third one. Green vegetables. How the vegetables are? Yes, the vegetables are green in color. How the vegetables? That is green. So the green is called as a describing word. Okay, now see the fourth one. Green, tiny, tall, green, these are called as a describing words, and ants, trees, vegetables are called as naming words. Now let us see some examples which is there in your book. Now see there, take out your book, page number 31. Page number 31. There we have to say which is the describing and what is the naming word. Now see, you taken the book page number 31. Take out the 31 book page number of your English grammar, not your English book. You have to take your English grammar book, page number 31. 31. So here what they have told, that write the describing words and the naming words in the space provided. Space is given for you. The spaces are given. Okay. You have to say what is describing a word and what is the naming word. So already questions is given in front of you. See the first question, that is red car. How the car is? What is the color of the car? Red. What is the color of the car? Red. And what is the naming word over here? Car. So these are the nouns. Car, girl, dress, dog, hair. Okay. Now see the first one. You have to write the describing word. What is the describing word over there? Red. The color of the car. Okay. Red. And what is the naming word? Car. C-A-R. Car. Write with me all of you. Yes. Have you finished the first one? Now second one. See the second one. Tall girl. How the girl is? The girl is tall. Tall means heighted. Tall. So this is how is the girl? The girl is tall. So what it is describing? Girl வந்து tall ஆ describe பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So you have to write here tall. This is called as a describing word. And what is the naming word over here? Girl. Okay. This is a name of a this is a person. Okay. Nice dress. How it is? It is nice. That is, I am describing that how the dress is. My dress is very nice. So I am describing about my dress. So dress will come under naming word. Is it easy, students? Yes, adjective is very easy, isn't it? You have to see what is the naming word over there and what the naming word is describing, that you have to see. Okay. The what is describing the naming word is called as a describing word. Okay. So what is the definition for this? Words that tell us more. Okay. Words that I mean to say dog is a word, which is a naming word as well as. Okay. So it is describing that how it is looking. It is small. So small is here describing word. Okay. And dog is the naming word. Write down D-O-G, dog. Now see the fifth one. How the hair is? I know that hair is a naming word. Okay. So how the hair is long. It is very long hair, short hair. This is a describing word. So long is a describing word and hair is a naming word. Okay. Now let us come to the next page, that is page number 32. You have to see, look at the pictures given below. You have to match the describing words. This is the homework for you, page number 32. Page number 32 in your grammar book. Okay. Now let us see to the next page, that is page number 33. Look at the following pictures, filling the blanks with correct describing words from the box. In the box, some words are given. What are the words? I will say now. Ripe, old, blue, empty, hot, little. These are the describing words given in front of you. See the page number 33 I am doing. Okay, page 33. First one is the picture is given for you and there is a dash women is written. Okay, how the women is, you can say from your this box. Okay, in the describing in the box it is given a describing words for you. So guess the answer and say to me. Okay, what is this? Dash woman. So how the woman is? She is ugly, old. How she is described her? she is described her as an old woman. So write down old, O-L-D, old. How the woman is? She is old. Okay, party. So for the second one, that is this is A. Now B1 is dash mango. How the mango is? It is a ripe mango. Okay. How the mango is? Ripe. R-I-P-E. Now C1 dash girl. What is given there? Girl. Yes, she is a little girl. How she is? She is little. So write down little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little girl. Now see the next one. Dash sun. How the sun will be? It will be cool, huh? It will be cool? No. Then what it will be? It will be hot. So what you will write here? Hot sun. Okay. What is these are the words? These words are called as describing words and these words are called as a naming words. Now see the next one. Dash umbrella. Dash umbrella. How the umbrella is? It is blue in color. It is blue in color. So write down blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Now the last one. F. Dash glass. How the glass is? Is it full or empty? Yes, it is empty glass. Nothing there. Nothing. ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. So what you will write there? Empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty glass. Okay. So this also I have finished. Describing words tells us more about naming words. What are the examples? Old, ripe, little, hot, blue, empty, and etc. Some more examples are there. Okay. Now let us go to the English book. See the book, page number 95 in your English book. Page number 95. English book. 95. First one is color the snails. You have to color the snails with describing words on them. Take out the page number 95 in your English book and start writing with me. First one, you have to you have to take the colors with you. Take any colors. Okay. Now here, what are the words? Is describing words. You have to color it. The first one is flower. You know that flower மட்டும் தான் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So how the flower? It is beautiful or ugly அப்படின்னு எதுவுமே சொல்லல. So it is a naming word. So no need to put the color. Okay. Now see the second one is tall. So something here it is telling. Okay. Someone is tall. Whether the tree or a girl or a man or a boy or someone is tall. But not given the naming word. Given here only the describing word. So it is a describing word. So you have to color it. You color the word tall. Next one, long. So what is here mentioned here? This is also a describing word. Okay, how it is? It is long. What it is? Sorry. என்னது லாங்கா இருக்கும்? Long hair, long tail, and etc. Okay, so we can use this also. It is also a describing word. Okay, long. Next one, house. House. Is it a describing word? No, it is a naming word. So leave it. Next one, fat. Fat. So here mention fat. How the man is, how the girl is, how the boy is. Okay, how the persons are, and how the dogs or cats are. It is a fat or thin or long or short. That is mentioned here. So fat is also called as a describing word. So color the word fat. Next, ugly. Ugly na not looking beautiful. Ugly. Okay. So how it is? It is ugly. Maybe the animals, some animals are looking ugly. Okay. So this word is ugly is called as a describing word. Now see the next one. Circle the describing word. You have to circle the describing word and underline the naming word. The same page. First one, I like green apples. I like green apples. So what is this? I like apples. Okay, I like what type of apples I like? I like green apples. So here mention பண்ணிருக்காங்க apple how it is? It is green in color. So green is called as a describing word. So what to do? Green we have to circle. Okay, and apple underline the word. Finish. Now see the second one. A tiny mouse lives in the hole. Lives in the hole. Okay, see here, a tiny mouse. How the mouse is? Here mouse is a naming word, so underline the word mouse. And how the mouse is? It is very tiny, it is small mouse. Okay, where it lives in the hole. So tiny, describe the word. Here describing the word tiny. Okay, how the mouse is? The mouse is very tiny. Okay, now see the third one. Mohan drives a red car. So what is the naming word over here? Yes, car is the naming word. What it is describing how the car is? The car is in red in color. So the red is called as a describing word. So circle the word describing word red. See the fourth one. That is the book page number is 96. Page number 96. Okay. I love to eat. That is the fourth one. I love to eat sweet mangoes. Sweet mangoes. How the mangoes are? Yes, the mangoes are sweet in taste. You all like mangoes, isn't it? So how the mangoes will be? It will be sweet. Okay. So what is a mango over here? It is a naming word. And what is the sweet? Sweet is a describing word. And the mango எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்றது தான் sweet-ஆ இருக்கு. That is called as a describing word. Okay. Now see the fifth one. She bakes tasty cakes. What she baked? She is baking a tasty cakes. So what is the naming word over here? Cakes. Yes, very good. So underline the word cakes. Now what is the describing word? Come on, what is the describing word here? Tasty. So you have to circle the word tasty. How the cake is? The cake is very tasty. Next one, last one. Anita is a good girl. Anita is a good girl. How this girl is? The girl is very good. So here describing word good and naming word girl. Okay, so let us see once more again here. I like green. Green is a describing word. Green, tiny, red, sweet, tasty and good. These are called as a describing words. And what are the naming words over here? Apples, then mouse, car, mangoes, cakes. Okay, naming word வந்து என்னது? Word that tell us more about naming words. Word that tell us more about naming words. Naming words describe பண்ணுது. Okay, how the naming word is அப்படி describe பண்ணும்போது that is called as a describing word. Okay, now you will be understood, I think so, that what is describing it and what is naming word. Again one exercise is there, that is writing junction. That is page number 96. Now let us see that, okay? See here. Now we are going to see the book page number 96. That is writing junction of your English book. Okay, this is your English book page number 96. Writing junction. So see what the question they have asked here. Look at the pictures. There is a picture given for you and read the sentences. Then you have to read the sentence. First you have to see the image. There is a picture of the picture what is given. Then you have to read the sentence what is given over here and rewrite the sentences using the describing words given in the bracket. Bracket itself it is given some words, that is describing words is given. Yellow, blue, huge, strong, pretty, little, white, little. These are the words, describing words given in the bracket for you. Okay. So see here, the first question is the sun shines. How the sun shines? Brightly in the sky. Now you have to add the yellow and blue. What you are going to describe? See the sun. How the sun is. What is the color of the sun? Yes, we know it is yellow in color. So write down the yellow sun shines. The yellow sun shines. The yellow sun shines brightly in the, what is the naming word in the last word is sky. So sky, before you have to add, put the describing word. Okay, so sky, what is the color of the sky here? Blue. Okay, so write down in the blue sky. Okay, so here sun is a naming word. Okay, the sun shines brightly in the sky. Here the sun is a naming word. So before sun you have to add a describing word. The describing word which is given in this bracket. Okay, so what is the color of the sun over here? That is already given in the picture. You have to see the picture also. Okay, so the sun, yellow sun shines brightly in the blue sky. What is the color of the sky? Blue. Okay, now see the second one. The trees move in the wind. So what is the naming word? First you find out the naming word. Okay, trees move in the wind. These two are naming words. So now what is the word given here? Huge and strong. Okay, so what is the where will be the huge will come? Huge tree. Okay, period tree. So write down the huge trees. Okay, what I have written here? The huge trees. The tree is very huge. Move. Move na asaigirathu in the wind. Wind. Before the wind, what will come here? Strong. Wind strong ah irukku. Eppadi irukku? Romba strong. So write down strong. Wind means kaatru. Strong wind. Okay, பயங்கரமா காத்தடிச்சா என்ன ஆகும்? Trees will shake, it will move. Okay, so first we have find out what is the naming word. அப்புறம் naming word before what will come? The describing word. Okay, so அதை வச்சு நீங்க கரெக்டா ரைட் பண்ணலாம். The trees move in the wind and the bracket is given huge and strong. So how the tree is? The tree is huge, move in the strong wind. Now see the third one. The nestlings chip in their nest. So what is the naming word? Nestlings and the nest. Okay, so what is the word given here? Pretty and little. So what you will write there? The pretty nestlings. Nestlings means, you know what is this? That is the young one of a bird. Okay, what is nestlings? Already we have studied in the previous chapter. What is nestlings? What is nestlings? It is a young one of a bird which they do not know how to fly. So they are called as a nestlings. Okay, so the pretty nestlings. Nestlings na kutti kutti okay, bird. So how it will be looking? It will looking pretty. Super barko. So pretty. The pretty nestlings. pretty nestlings. Chip. Chip is making sound. Chip in there. How the nest will be very big, la? No, it will be very little, okay? So, how the nest is here? Little, okay? In there, little nest, okay? Yes. Now, see the last one, that is the cow stays with its calf. What is the naming word? Cow and then calf. Okay, what is the word describing word? White and little. We know the cows almost, we can see the white cow will be in a white in color. Okay, pasu solvom na, adena color la irukum, mostly white in color. Okay, so what you will write here? The white cow. What you will write here? The white cow stays with its dash calf. Calf means another young one of a cow. Baby of a cow is called as a calf. So calf எப்படி இருக்கும்? Little ஆ இருக்கும். குட்டியா தானே இருக்கும். So write down little with its little calf. Little calf. Okay. So let me see once again. That is, we are seeing page number 96, writing junction in our English book. Okay. So here we are describing the what we have seen here. We have just, you have to see the pictures given here. Okay. So pictures is given in front of you. You have to see which is the, you have to add describing words. Okay. In near the naming words. Okay. So the first one is, here the sun and sky is called as a naming word. We have added a describing word, yellow and blue. Okay. In the same way we have completed this one. And I have completed this lesson also. Okay. So dear, once more again see here what is describing words. As we have seen, today we have seen in a grammar class the describing words. Describing words means it is also called as an adjective. Okay. See the definition for that. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Okay. Again I am repeating the same one. Words that tell us more about the naming words. What is naming words? Naming words means nouns. Okay. Now what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, places, animals and things. These are called as a nouns. Okay. So the words that tell us more about the naming words are called describing words. For example, an old man, an ugly frog. Okay, some more examples. Okay, these are called as a describing words. Here we have seen yellow sun, huge trees, pretty nestlings, white cow. Okay, so here I am completing the grammar portion. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.